Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we are going to make this very beautiful crochet made multicolored big flower. It has 8 petals and it starts from the center. Now let's start. Our yarn is of 4 ply and crochet 3 mm. First we'll make a slip knot. Then we'll make 5 chains to form a small ring. We can also make a magic ring, but I prefer solid rings for big projects. 5 chains. Then we'll attach with the first chain with slip stitch. A small ring is formed. One chain we'll make and then we'll make 16 single crochets in the ring itself. All the flower is made up of either chains or single stitch, so beginners can also well try it. We have made single crochet stitch. Now we'll attach with the first chain with slip stitch. Now we'll detach the thread here only and we'll change the color. Color combination of course you can take of your own choice. We'll attach the thread. First we have made a slip knot of different color. Here we have light yellow color. Then we'll make 21 chains. 21 chains for one petal we are going to make. For every petal we have to make 21 chains. We have to count also 21, exactly 21 chains we have to make. Twenty-one chains we have made. Now we'll skip first chain and attach with the second chain with single crochet stitch. So you will observe that 2 chains have been used for making one petal. 16 chains we had made. We'll make 8 total petals. 21 chains we are going to make for second petal. Leave the immediate next chain and attach with the second chain with single crochet stitch. 2 petals we have created. Like this we'll make 6 more petals like this. 21 chains and then we'll attach with the second chain. We have made 8 petals like this. 21 chains 8 times. These are for 8 petals. Then we'll attach with the help of single crochet stitch. For each petal we have made 21 chains. So now we'll make 10 single crochets in 10 chains. That means one chain, one single crochet in every one chain. Thus we'll make 10 single crochets. After making 10 single crochets, in 11th chain we'll make 3 single crochets in the same chain. This gives the shape of a petal. Now 10 chains remain. We'll make 10 single crochets in 10 chains. That means 1 single crochet in each chain we'll make. Exactly like this we'll make the other petals also. We are taking the second petal. We'll make 10 single crochets in 10 chains, and then we'll make 3 single crochets in 11 chain, and then again 10 single crochets in 10 chains. Following this pattern, we'll complete whole of the petals. We have completed this round. Now we'll detach the yarn here only. This color we'll discontinue here, and we'll attach the next color for next edging. Now we have 23 single crochets in each petal. 2 single crochets we have increased in each petal. So now we will make 11 single crochets in first time. Earlier we had made 10 single crochets. In second round we will make 11 single crochets, and in 12 single crochet we will make 3 single crochets in the same single crochet. And one thing we have to keep it in mind from this round, that we have to make single crochet from the back of the chain. We have not to take the full chain. 11 single crochets we have made. Now we will make 3 single crochets in single crochet, or you can single chain. 11 single crochets now. 11 single crochets will remain after making 3 single crochets. We'll complete 11 single crochets. For each petal we have to make 11 single crochets, then 3 single crochets in one chain, and then again 11 single crochets. We have completed our this round also. Now we'll discontinue the yarn here only and we'll attach the next color. You can start from anywhere, not exactly where we had discontinued. We can start from anywhere, from any petal we can start. Now we'll make 12 single crochets because 2 single crochets we have again increased. So in this round we'll make 12 single crochets, and then in 13 single crochet we'll make 3 single crochet and then 12 single crochet. The pattern is quite easy. We have completed our third round. Now we'll attach next color for fourth round. Preferably be a dark color because it will give edging to the flower. Now we'll make 13 single crochets because 2 single crochets have been increased in each petal this time also. So now we'll make 13 single crochets in 13 chains. We'll make single crochets from the back of the chain, back part of the chain. We have completed our this round. We'll arrange the flower in one side and it looks really very beautiful. Now we are going to attach all the petals. We'll make 6 single crochets in every corner. We'll take the light thread, 6 single crochets, excluding the central single crochet or chain. Now we are taking single crochets, taking the whole chain. It is the reverse side of the flower, as you will see. Six single crochets will make, and in 7 chain we'll make 3 single crochets as we are making in all the rounds. Now 6 single crochets again. Taking the whole chain in this round. Earlier we were taking one part of the chain, back part of the chain. Now we'll take whole chain. 6 single crochets we have made. Now we go to the second petal. Now we'll again make 6 single crochets excluding the central chain. Six single crochets we'll make. And in the central chain we'll make 3 single crochets as we are making in all the rounds, which gives a beautiful shape to the petals of flowers. Now 3 single crochets. Now 6 single crochets. Following this pattern, we'll attach all the petals of the flower. Wow, it looks really very beautiful. Now we'll make one more edging. We will detach here this color and we'll attach the next light color. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon at the side. Now we'll attach the next color. Now we'll make 7 single crochets instead of 6 single crochets which we earlier made, because 2 single crochets we have increased this round also. So 7 single crochets will make in 7 chains. This time we are making single crochets, taking the back part of the chain. We are not taking the whole chain, which gives an ultra beauty to the flower. Now in this chain we will make 3 single crochets. In central chain we will make 3 single crochets You will observe that in the central chain we have always made 3 single crochets. Now following this pattern we have completed our flower. I like this. I'm eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.